What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily upgrade your Windows from Windows 10 to Windows 11. That being said, let's jump straight into the video. So all you need is your PC Health Check app. As you can see, I already have it here on my desktop. So to download this app, navigate into your web browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome, and then type in PC Health Check app. Navigate to the first link and then scroll all the way, tap on install PC Health Check app. So I'll go ahead and include this link in the video description, so go ahead and tap on that link and then navigate to download PC Health Check app right there, and then go ahead and download the PC Health Check app onto your PC. So since I already have it, I'll go ahead and open it up and then tap on check now. So once you tap on check now, it will automatically check whether your PC meets system requirements. So I will tap on check now, and there you go. So it shows this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. That means my PC or my device is eligible to upgrade to Windows 11. So once you upgrade to Windows 11, you should still have access to your photos, apps, and files. However, it's always a good idea to back up your photos and files either onto an external hard drive or onto your Microsoft OneDrive once you sign in into your Microsoft account. So to upgrade, go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. So go ahead and tap on Download and Install, then Accept and Install. So these are the software license terms. Accept and install. And as you can see, your Windows 11 is downloading. So once it's done, they'll show you that it's ready to install. So go ahead and give it some time, and I should be good to go. Alright, hope you guys were able to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new videos like this. Otherwise, if you have any questions or queries about this video, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.